I don't know. You probably shouldn't be listening to me. But listen, this channel is for people that are trying to change their identity, not people that are trying to find more excuses. Today, I want to make that clear. I had a lot of things to talk about, but no, I got a comment on a video that I made, and somebody was talking about, yeah, like most people don't have a choice to do this or that. And in my mind was like, I understand. And don't get me wrong, my video is not for everybody. I ain't trying to please everybody. I'm trying to please the people that are trying something. Like I always say, get the fuck out of my video and go do something with your life. So these videos are for people that are trying to do something with their life. People that are already envisioning the change, the goal. I'm just here to tell them, before you have those things, you gotta do certain things. And to do certain things in much more of a pleasant way is to be identity, to be the person that would love to do those things so they can have those type of results. My video is not for everybody that's just watching, scrolling, and go do something else after. It's not something else. Do something with your life. I don't want to rumble a lot around this, but this is a video for today. If you're trying something, let's go. If you want to start something, let's go. If you're already in something, let's go. But if you're just gonna watch the comment, it's not even respond. At this point, you're just watching to react. Because I'm only talking about my life experiences and the things that are in my field of knowledge. You probably heard, nothing changes if nothing changes. So I am here to beg you, the type of person that I'm making this video for, change your identity. That's what I'm doing. And let's go on the journey. Like I always say, let your spirit play, let your mind plan, and let your body practice. Be, do, have. Man, it's Wilson Wolf. Get the fuck out of my video and go do something with your life.